there, beautiful fish. What do you know? Hey there, Creamsicle the fish. She's a gorgeous fish. She really is such a beautiful fish. Where are you going? Come back. Hey, Creamsicle. Hey, pretty girl. Yeah, you are a pretty girl. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah, you are. You know that? A perfect fish. You are such a perfect fish. A beautiful fish. Yeah. You're a gorgeous fish. A perfect, beautiful fish. You know that? He says, I know that. I'm recording you. You don't know what that means. I can show you though. You wanna know? Yeah, you're being recorded. You don't know. It's okay. She's a good fish. She's being so cute.